Check it out. We're at the local Can-Am dealer. Something's going down today. I'm dropping the Renegade off, but something else is coming home with us. Don't worry, I'll come back for the Renegade later. Getting the talk.
You're telling me what you do that you shouldn't do.
That's probably really good advice. She's ready, eh?
I mean,
awesome.
She's been on your machine.
I think she might want her own machine now. Yeah.
This one might you can't have my cookies.
No cookies? Oh.
No cookies.
That should be a nice little token treat you get.
A cookie?
You get some cookies.
I never thought of that.
Cookies would be good. All right, let's get this thing. You ready?
He's explaining to me about eco mode.
Good. Don't worry, they'll take good care of you. So, is that quiet enough for you?
Yeah.
Pretty good, eh?
I haven't even got it home and you guys are, oh, you
No.
Don's like, you need to get the halo lights, you need to get this, you need to get that.
An accent color, we're talking purple. What'd you say, yellow?
Well, look what you got on right there.
I saw
Yellow.
it.
Well, I meant purple. Purple would be kind of cool.
Purple would be really cool.
The black's nice, because it's kind of subtle. They're beefy looking tires. Like, they really are.
Those tires, they are awesome in the snow. They are awesome in mud.
Yeah.
They really are. When I had them, they went through everything in the snow. They climbed out of stuff.
No, she's a good looking unit. It's so shiny and clean. Okay, so what's this part?
The rod.
The rod. Yes, very good.
Do you want me to tell you why I know that?
Why?
Because you needed a rod relocate. And
That's right. Comes from the factory that way.
Okay, I got a jet.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Awesome.
No
Thanks,
problem.
Dad.
You guys take as much time out here as you want.
Yeah. Thanks,
Oh,
buddy.
good.
Whenever you're changing gears, have you either your foot on the brake or on the handle. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're driving your car.
Well, sorry, what I should be doing?
Yes, what you should be doing. Yeah.
Okay.
Reverse. Yeah. And then take your foot off the brake. Right. Her first time on her new machine.
Do I do the jump?
Yeah, you can do a jump. She's going up the hill. She got herself her own machine. That's gonna be exciting. Wow. I picked up my new machine 11 months ago. Back then, I never would have imagined this day happening. Never would have imagined it. Yeah.
It just seems like really tight.
Well, it's brand new, yeah, so some of it a little stiff, yeah. That's a different way of getting off and on. Go like this. Or this. Yeah, see, it's a little, your tires are like knobby, right? So you'll feel a little bit of vibration of it when you first start, and then it kind of goes away. Really?
Okay, you want me to put on the trailer?
Yeah, I'll put it on the trailer.
You're gonna take it?
I'm gonna get.
Alright.
I'm sure I can't wreck too much.
No.
Top toggle switch. Okay, so that's sport.
Sport.
So you go back to the left. Okay.
Off, eco
Oh,
mode.
there you go.
Okay.
Yeah. And then it gives you a little eco indicator up there. Yeah, and then straight up. Yeah, a little more. So the Mudwife just got a brand new machine, and of course that means more work for me. Really sure how that got worked into the deal, but I guess I'm good with it. This is awesome. Check it out. Boom! First thing, we gotta take these warning labels off of here. Who needs that? Here's the biggest feature of this machine, why it's gonna make it even more capable. Whoa! Whoa! Nice! Front diff lock. And if you've seen any of my videos, this thing works amazing. It's a game changer. Game changer for Can-Am. No question about it. Absolutely no question about it. Dang. The color is awesome. It really is. That's it. Maiden voyage. It's like she's all grown up, eh? You look pretty good. You look like you know what you're doing. Having fun is not always about horsepower. Click the video on the screen right now to see what I'm talking about.